Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest WhatsApp features and explore premium options step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, because most new features only appear after updating. Once updated, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From here, go into Settings. Now inside Settings, you'll see different options like Privacy, Chats and Notifications. Depending on your version and region, you may find appearance or additional features available here. If premium or advanced features like Meta Verified are available in your region, you'll see the option inside Settings. Simply tap on it and follow the on-screen steps to continue. And that's basically it. That's how you can access the latest WhatsApp features safely using the official app. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.